So here is Payday Advance and Online Loans app. Instant cash, no credit check. So then you can just tap get, double click to install. You should always be very careful just to save with this kind of apps. But yeah, if you need some extra cash and don't want to go through the hassle of getting traditional bank loan, the Payday Advance and Online Loans app is an easier way to access payday loans quickly and securely. You can borrow cash with just a few taps of your phone. It makes getting quick cash advance easy, fast, and safe. So yeah, you can borrow up to $5,000 without going through any tedious paperwork, but that's just what they say here in description. In reality, I think it will be less, and you still need to be quite careful while doing that. So you need to submit your instant loan cash application online, fill simple form, review your options, and get your funds. So then here you have this. And then you can just continue and then get an, so then you can select which amount you want to get, and then how much do you need, your contact email, and then just fill out the form basically. So yeah, like very simple app. It's like there's literally 3 buttons here. There is some contact forms, there is some FAQ, but I would really suggest you to be quite careful again with these apps. Super easy to get some kind of a quick loan, but then the percentage can be quite high on this kind of apps. So yeah, that's what it is.